Hello, I'm Jesse with American Radon Mitigation. We get a lot of questions on how we fill our stitching holes, so this is a good opportunity to show you guys how we do it. So we've got our main suction point here, and then to extend our pressure field extension, we've got a suction point here as well. So if you want to come in and zoom in and see what's involved with the suction point. So there's just our suction pit. You can see the dirt down there. So what I've done is basically made a big suction point here and then one over there as well. And then I've tunneled together to make these into one big suction point. So we call this process stitching. So a lot of times there might be a center footing here we're stitching under, and maybe this is a finish room on the other side of the wall. But for this video, we're just going to show you how we fill that hole. So what I've done is measured down to the bottom of my suction point, up to about 1 inch from my slab, and I've cut this piece of 2-inch pipe. That's going to be my support for my plug and my concrete that I put in. Then what I've done is I've got my broom wet and I've moistened up this concrete to clean it up, and then this dry concrete isn't going to pull the moisture out of my new concrete quite so fast, so it'll help it cure a little bit better. So I'm going to put this 2-inch pipe down, get that into position. That'll support my plug. This is just a styrofoam plug that I've cut out with a hole saw. And then I'm going to foam around this. And I want this to make my seal, because I know that concrete's probably going to shrink a little bit and pull back, and I don't want this to be an air leak. All right, so now I've drilled my hole for my tap con, and this is just going to give that concrete some additional support. This is a 4-inch tap con. So we're going to put that there, then we're going to bend it down a little bit so it's in the concrete. And then once my foam dries, I'm just going to mix up some concrete, put that in with the mag, and then I can give it a finish as it starts to cure. So that's how we plug our stitching holes. If you guys have any questions, feel free to reach out to us. And if you have ideas for additional videos, please leave them in the comments below. I'm Jesse with American Radon. Thanks for watching.